In this tutorial I'm going to show you the Christmas bauble shapes from Graphic Extras. It's pack 105 and you find it on the graphicextra.com website. Now to load them you can go to the file open and go to the CS6 file, or you can also use the actual shapes palette itself. Go over to the right side and use the replace shapes and select the CS6 file. That's probably the easiest way of doing it. Or you can put it into the shapes folder and you'll find the file actually included in here. Now the shapes are for commercial use, royalty free. They're be used for items for sale and that sort of thing. Right, now you can use them as a shape layer or a path or a selection. Now I'm just going to select one of them. There's certain about 100 odd designs, so I'm just going to select one of those. Now I'm using it in just as a fill, so I'm just going to quickly apply that. Uses the current colour in the Photoshop toolbox, so I'm just going to just design that. So it just applies that. Now of course you can apply it once, of course you can use it, apply it multiple times. Now if you wish to fill the actual fill design, you can actually use the magic wand tool and obviously just select that design. So I'm just going to now go fill, maybe set a colour, red or something, Christmassy colour, click OK, and now that's actually filled the design. Of course you could actually put a design already, so you could actually, so I'm just going to do a quick, very loose design. So I'm just going to apply a circle, not in black, but another colour, say blue. So, and now I'm just going to go back to the custom shape tool, so it's black, and now I can just apply the custom shape tool. So then you've got the fill behind. Now of course you could also do the fill using the shape layer, makes it actually easier to position it. So I'm just going to select the shape layer option, and I can design that, and now of course at that point I can actually move the position. Of course I could have had the actual blue as a shape layer as well, so I could actually resize that, make it obviously easier to as a fill. So I can obviously resize the actual design. Now these designs can be any size, so you can just apply it massive, or you can really just have a very small little design like that. Click OK. Now of course you can rotate it as well. Also as a design like that you can actually apply layer style, give it a drop shadow, as well as a bevel, contour, maybe stroke, pattern, whatever. Click OK. And of course again you can duplicate that. So I'm just going to layer, duplicate layer, create another one. So you can just make multiple quick shapes like that. Now you can also use the shape as a source for brushes or patterns in Photoshop. This is obviously CS5, CS6, whatever. So I'm just going to just quickly layer, flatten, and I'm just going to quickly get rid of that. New, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to create the brush. And I'm just going to select maybe another. There's another one there. Maybe I can make that slightly. It's the large thumbnails. So there's a design there. Resize that so it's just inside the thing. Layer, flatten image, then define brush preset. And again, the one thing about the shapes is that they're vectors, so you can actually create, say, a brush size 2000 by 2000 if you want to create a brush. That's that. Of course, at this point you can also apply various effects, so you don't have to actually sort of use the brush like that. You can actually go to filter, blur, maybe fade it as well, so you don't have to that strong. Maybe apply it again, so you can actually just have that as a background. Flatten, then go to define brush. Of course, go and select brush. Select the brush there. And you can just apply the brush stroke as you would. And again, you can create patterns as well, or distortions, displacements, etc., using the shapes. It's an amazing resource for Christmas designs, for a festive season, and you can obviously, with these designs, you can use them for cards, wrapping paper, and thousands of other Christmas themed designs.